Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system readiness. Windows 10 updated and enough disk space, because Zoom needs current drivers and free resources to run smoothly. Once done, download the Zoom client for meetings and run the installer. This sets up shortcuts and updates background services. Make sure to sign in or create an account so your profile and settings sync. Also grant camera and microphone permissions in Windows settings. Without them, you'll be unable to share audio or video in calls. Now you join or host meetings. Click a link or enter a meeting ID and choose Join with computer audio so others can hear you. In Settings, pick your preferred camera, microphone, and speaker. Test them with the built-in test tools to avoid surprises. Once in a meeting, choose Gallery or Speaker View depending on focus, enable HD video for clarity if bandwidth allows, and set a virtual background. If you host, assign co-hosts to share moderation tasks and streamline the session. Finish by sharing and saving your session. Click Share Screen and pick a window or the entire desktop and enable Share Computer Sound when playing videos so participants hear audio. This is crucial for media playback. For saving, choose Local or Cloud Recording. Make sure you have storage and tell attendees you're recording. If something goes wrong, like no audio, first restart Zoom and your PC, verify audio drivers in Device Manager, and reinstall the Zoom client if devices still fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.